In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox fail to load library MFPlat.dll error. First up is you want to head over to Google and just search for the DLL. Come to this DLL files website and we want to just install the latest one. So just press download and you should get a download in a few seconds. Now just wait for this, and once it's here we want to just put it on our desktop, and then you can close down the website. Then you want to come here and search for CMD. Right click, run as an administrator, and you want to copy and paste these commands right here. And I'm going to put them in the description. So just take the first one, put it in here, enter, then the next one, enter, next enter, next enter. And for this one, you want to wait until the scan is completely done at 100%. After you've done all of that, you can close it down. And then what we want to do now is we want to come here and search for Windows Update, take the latest update, and now you want to look for your Roblox. So search for Roblox, right click, open file location, and then right click and open file location again. And this will take you to a versions folder with a bunch of letters and numbers. In here, you want to open up the zip file and you want to drag the DLL file in here. Now, if this file is locked, you can right click and extract just to get the DLL file. Once you put it in here, then what you want to do is come here and search for File Explorer, go to your PC, then we want to find where we have Windows installed. Under Windows, you want to scroll down to S, then you want to go to syswow64, and in here you'll be able to see you have a ton of DLL files. You want to also drag it into here, and as you can see, I already have it in here, but if you're getting the error, it's probably because you don't have it. So just put it in here, and then this should work. After this, just restart your PC and then hopefully it should work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.